5 volts power supply, WLED controller. 2 outputs. Wiring tool 2. 16 x 16 5 volts LED panel 4. Every 2 LED panels are connected to each other. And then they are respectively connected to the GPIO 16 and GPIO 2 ports of the controller. LED panel, number of LEDs and dimensions. Open the config and find LED in hardware. Set the number of LEDs. Open 2D configuration. Select 2D matrix. First LED position. Set orientation. Single panel dimensions. Set up the second panel. Offset the position of the second panel. Show the effect after setting up the LED panel. Add image. Click full size. Click Convert and upload to WLED. Add text. Add time effect. Adjustable speed, y-axis offset, font size, etc. Check gradient. Drawing tool. The drawn image can be saved as a preset or as a GIF. Enter the text content and return to the control panel. Click Segment Settings, then set the position for the text you just entered in the first segment. Set Dynamic Effect position for segment 2.